here is a sum. It is like this. X by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. So, if this is the case, how will you solve the problem? So, you have to find the LCM of these two, 2 and 3. So, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So, if 6 is the LCM, 2 3s are 6, 3 into x plus, so 3 2s are 6, 2 into x is equal to 1 by 6. So you know how to take the LCM, isn't it? So 3x plus 2x by 6 is equal to 1 by 6, which implies 5x by 6, 3x plus 2x is 5x by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. On cross multiplication means it is like this. So 5x into 6 is equal to 1 into 6. 5 6 are 30, 30x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 30. 6 1s are 6 5s are. X is equal to 1 by 5 is the answer. This is how we are going to do if this type of sums are given. Let us take one more example sum based on the simplifying equations. So the sum is like this. 5x minus 5 divided by 5x plus 6 is equal to 5 by 6. So what you have to do here is, once again, cross multiplication has to be done. So how? 6 into 5x minus 5, which is equal to 5 into, open the brackets, 5x plus 6. It should be written like this in the brackets, because here two numbers 5x and 6 are there, so it should be written in the brackets. That small bracket, as I told you in Bodmer's rule, it is also called as parenthesis. Okay. So after doing this cross multiplying everything, 6 5s are 30x plus into minus minus 6 5s are 30 equals to 5 5s are 25x plus into plus is plus 5 6 are 30. So I have removed the parenthesis there. Parenthesis means that small brackets. Okay. So 30x minus 30 is equal to 25x plus 30. So 30x, bringing this 25 towards the left hand side, transposing this plus 25x becomes minus 25x, and transferring this constant towards the other sides, which is equals to, bring this 30 as it is and transfer this minus 30 to right hand side. If you transfer, this minus 30 will become plus 30. So 30x minus 25x, you will get 5x is equal to 30 plus 30, 60. X is equal to 60 divided by 5. 5 1s are, 5 12s are. Hence x is equal to 12. This is how we are going to work this type of sums. Now, let us learn the new concept, and this is absolute value. What is this absolute value? It is nothing but the distance of a number. Say minus 5 from here and plus 5 from there. That is distance of a number on the number line from 0. The distance of a number on the number line from 0 without considering the direction from 0. So without considering the direction from 0 means either it goes this way or this way, the answer, you have to consider it as a positive value. So the absolute value of 5 and minus 5 is 5. Either it goes this way, either the distance between 0 and minus 5, we should take it as plus 5 itself. 0 and 5, we should take it as plus 5 itself. Therefore, absolute value says that the distance of a number on the number line from 0 without considering the direction from 0. Either it goes this way or either it goes that way. It is the positive value. The absolute value of 5 and minus 5 is plus 5. The absolute value is never negative. It is always positive. Okay. Let us take one example on absolute value. So, solve 3 minus u in between the bars plus 9 is equal to 27. So, I am writing this 3 minus u in between the bars, which is equals to, I am transposing this 9 towards the right hand side, which implies 3 minus u is equal to 18. So, absolute value is equal to 18. Here, I have explained to you absolute value is always positive. It is not negative, isn't it? So, it is 18. So, if you remove this bars, the values are plus and minus. I repeat again, in between the bars, that is absolute value, which is 18. Absolute value is always positive. It is not negative. But whereas if you remove this bars or else if you remove this absolute value, you will get two values. Let us solve that sum. That is plus 18 and minus 18. In between the bars, it is always positive. If you remove this bars, you have two values, positive and negative. See here, in this step, I have removed the bars. That is, I have removed that absolute value. So, 3 minus u is equal to 18, or 3 minus u is equal to minus 18. That is plus 18 and minus 18. Solve this. 3 minus u is equal to 18. So, minus u is equal to 18, and transposing this left hand side, this 3 towards the right hand side. 18 minus 3. That is, minus u is equal to 18 minus 3 is 15, which implies u is equal to minus 15. I am shifting this minus towards that side. That is, u is equal to minus 15. One answer, one solution. One more thing, 3 minus u is equal to minus 18. Minus u is equal to minus 18 minus 3. Once again, transposing them towards the right hand side. That is minus 18 minus 3. Minus u is equal to minus 21. Remove this negative signs, you will get u is equal to 21. Therefore, solutions are minus 15 and 21. If the sum is given like this, you have to solve it like this. Understood? Absolute value is always positive. Absolute value is never negative. Okay. So, this is a sum based on the absolute value. You know the definition of the absolute value. I explained to you that in my previous video. So, here can you see this sum? This is the absolute value. If you remove this absolute value, two values are possible. Either positive or negative. But when you apply this positive value, you should always get a positive value. Not negative value is not at all considered in absolute value according to the definition of absolute value. So, if this is the case, how will you solve the problem? Possibility, if this is the case, the answer will be always positive. If you remove it, what are the possibilities? How will you get the solution? Let me explain to you in this problem. So, I am removing this absolute value. You will get two values, one positive, one negative. Okay, 3r minus 2 by 4, which is equal to 2r plus 5 by 3. Do the cross multiplication. 3 into 3r minus 2 is equal to 4 into 2r plus 5. 3 into 3, 9r minus 3 2s are 6, which is equals to 4 2s are 8. 8r plus 20. So 9r transposing here, that is from right hand side to left hand side. 9r, this plus becomes minus, minus 8r is equal to 20. Bring it as it is. Once again transposing takes place. Minus 6 becomes plus 6. Therefore, r is equal to 26. This is one value, that is positive value. You should get one negative value. If you remove this absolute value, I told you. So, 3r minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 2r plus 5 by 3. See, one should be, that is negative sign should be in the numerator. You consider it like that only. So, do the cross multiplication. 3 into 3r minus 2 is equals to minus 8r. That is 4 2s are 8. I have directly multiplied here. 4 2s are 8r minus 20. So, 3 3s are 9r minus 6 is equal to, I have not written 4 here. Please make a note. 9r minus 6 is equal to minus 8r minus 20. So 9r plus 8r, once again transposing takes place here, is equals to minus 20 plus 6. 17r is equal to minus 14. R is equal to minus 14 by 17. So the answer is R is equal to 26 and R is equal to minus 14 by 17. These are the two solutions for this question.